Hi viewers, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel and most welcome to this video particularly. My name is Terence Oloya and in this tutorial I'm going to be dealing with Google Maps. So ladies and gentlemen, Google Maps is something very essential. You will realize this as you explore different experiences in as far as life is concerned. So this is how I open my Google Maps. I rather come to I come to the search tab and I type manually Google Maps. Google Maps. Rather, I type Google, yeah. Upon typing Google, I open the Google app and and the computer introduces me to this screen. Now from here, I can search for Google Maps. So I type maps.google.com. Maps.google.com. So it's already here. So that's how I open Google Maps. So upon opening, ladies and gentlemen, this is the overview of the first screen. So what I do, maybe I want to go to St. Maurice, or I want to go to maybe I'm in Gulu University. I want to go to a place called Gulu Town. Gulu Town. So the computer brings some suggestions. Gulu Town Primary School. So if that's basically my destination or where I want to go, that is where I click. So you find that Gulu Town Primary School is right here, and the computer brings some picture here, which I can as well guide you. It's called the Earth View. If you want more of it, you can come here to this tab. You can come here to this tab. Rather, sorry, if I want the Earth View instead of the map view, maybe before I can use these two for zooming, these two signs, the plus sign and the minus sign for zooming. Then as well I can access the Earth views. So you see the difference. There is map view and Earth view. This is the Earth view and this is the map view. Then there's also this tab here. I can use it to access a lot of tools. For instance, I can use it to get saved items in case I had. So I could save this map from here and then I access it from here the next time I don't want to type. So here is where I can get my saved maps from. Then here is where I can access the recent searches. Uh, right from here, you see these are the recent places that I had just searched. Then also I could get I could share or embed maps from here. I could print this map if I want, maybe in hard copy. So there's a lot of tools I could make use of right here. So ladies and gentlemen, not only that, we could also search for another place, and perhaps if I want directions, this is where I would come to this small tab here. Assuming I'm in Gulu University and I want to go to Gulu Town, I would come to this small tab and click on it. So I even have options here. Which means of transport am I going to use? Perhaps let's say I'm going to use a motorcycle. That's where I click. So where am I located right now? I'm in Gulu University. Yes, Gulu University. Then where do I want to go? I want to go to Gulu Town. Gulu Town. So yeah, that is how it comes about. It even estimates that if I'm going to use perhaps if I'm going to foot, I'm going to take 13 means, and I'm using a motorcycle, 2 means, when I'm using maybe a vehicle, also 2 means. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have. This is where I am located right now. Sorry, this is where I'm located right now, and this is where I want to go. This is my destination, and this is where I'm starting my journey from. So you see, it marks the road with a blue line. So that's basically how we go about it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for spending your time on this tutorial. If it has been helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, follow, and share this particular video. For now, till when we meet again, bye bye.